So the results for the India Bloc Alliance, which is in many ways that they've doubled their tally since 2019, has brought the focus back on Rahul Gandhi this time and for the good. He set the agenda. In many ways, it was his leadership for the party as much as for Mallikarjun Kharge and, of course, the opposition alliance that forced the BJP to also respond to a host of issues that the opposition raised in the run-up to the election. So here's a specific reference to how, and was it Rahul Gandhi specifically that could have resulted in the India Bloc performance.
It's a journey that has taken 10 years. Under him, the Congress tally fell to its lowest in history. Everyone had written him off, but he kept walking. The two Bharat Jodo Yatras that covered the length and breadth of the country helped him shed the image of a parachute politician. Rahul Gandhi may not have won the 2024 Lok Sabha election for the Congress, but has still emerged as the biggest winner.
The country has unanimously and clearly stated, we do not want Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to be involved in the running of this country. We do not like the way they have run this country. We do not appreciate the way they have attacked the constitution. We do not appreciate the way they have run this country for the last 10 years. So that is a huge message to Mr. Narendra Modi.
Along with Akhilesh Yadav, he scripted a new story in Uttar Pradesh, blocking the Modi-Yogi double engine that seemed unstoppable just a few months ago.
यूपी की जनता से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, आपसे ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल विजडम, मतलब आपने कमाल करके दिखा दिया यूपी के जनता ने। हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति समझकर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर खतरा समझकर उत्तर प्रदेश ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा की है।
Rahul, who has often found himself on a sticky wicket, went on the offensive this election, often setting the agenda. His pitch for income support, 8,000 rupees, khatakat, was picked up enthusiastically by his allies.
हिंदुस्तान के सारे ग्रेजुएट होल्डर, डिप्लोमा होल्डर, उन सबको 1 साल के लिए अप्रेंटिसशिप मिलेगी। 1 लाख रुपए साल का, 8,500 रुपए महीने का, खटाखट उनके बैंक।
जो लोग अपने साथियों को विदेश पहले ही भगा चुके हैं, वो अपने मित्रों को विदेश एक एक कर के भगा चुके हैं। खटाखट।
टनाटन। अरे मिजाज बालू, टनाटन। नौकरी मिलेगा फटाफट। बहनों के खाते में लाख रुपया जाएगा, खटाखट।
From caste census to quota to job creation, he put often Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the back foot.
ये भाइयों और बहनों क्रांतिकारी कदम है। इससे क्रांतिकारी कदम हिंदुस्तान में नहीं हो सकता। ये जिस दिन जाति जनगणना हो जाएगा, उस दिन देश की जनता को हिंदुस्तान की सच्चाई मालूम हो जाएगी।
એટલે માનો કે તમારી પાસે 10 એકરનું ખેતર છે અને તમે છોકરાને, સંતાનોને 10 એકર આપીને જવા માંગો છો, તો તમારા 5 એકર સરકારમાં ગયા ને 5 એકર રહ્યા। તમારી પાસે 2 ભેંસ હોય તો 1 ભેંસ કોંગ્રેસ વાળા કહે છે સરકારમાં આપી દો, 1 તમારા છોકરાને આપવાની।
संविधान का चुनाव है। यह पहला चुनाव है जहां बीजेपी के नेताओं ने कहा है कि हम इस संविधान को फाड़ के फेंक देंगे। दुनिया में कोई शक्ति इस संविधान को छू तक नहीं सकती है। और अगर आपने कोशिश की तो आपके सामने तेजस्वी यादव, राहुल गांधी और बाकी इंडिया गठबंधन खड़ा मिलेगा। इसको हम कभी बदलने नहीं देंगे, इसको कभी रद्द नहीं होने देंगे।
कि मोदी जिंदा है तब तक जो संविधान सभा की मूल भावना है कि धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण नहीं होगा, मैं इसके लिए लड़ाई लड़ूंगा।
Rahul has laid a solid foundation for the revival of the Congress. Now, can he ensure a safe takeoff? Bureau Report, India Today.